Metropatanete, prostotalete. Prakatata frunosuntura pates trustale puta, e minha lade, fressa da lusta. Adeto vrase, libros kunturia, le sutarus tutte le vedas. Spanish now just speak. You understand? But we try to do French, but not enjoy enter. French sound more like Soton, Restutil.
Is it that they talk? It could be like that they think.
That must be. You must do that. But Spanish they did more confident. Okay, Italian self. All of them just be one kind. Just be like African language. They deep. I knew that. Good data, but you know they see all those American films that will put maybe one African person.
Can verse me.
You can verse me.
Can verse me. Their mind as well Africa they sound.
Yeah. But your mind, I say all of us sound like say we not go school. We're not serious.
Yeah. You supposed to be there.
Yeah, are you supposed to be there?
Come. I'm calling you. Come here.
Come. My name is Adugudu Madulule. They will come around kind of give person. Hollywood. Nollywood most of them they do our own. No. Just because you person make it not like say not get hearing. Make it not like this. Make yourself no. They say we tell the yab ourselves in our own different way. What's happen? Anyway, now my personal beef be that. But Yemi Alade, wonderful work. You know, and now I want to get what they're very, very proud of. Very, very proud. Only say she know the great dance again. When he do Johnny, you know sure the dance we dance. He dance everywhere for that village. They know how.
Tangerine dance.
Tangerine, he dance for them now.
No, the kind song. This kind of song don't really need that.
You don't reduce that now. Me, I know how they talk. You don't say where you never blow. They say make you turn upside down, you go turn upside down. They say make you jump on top chandelier, hold am, just shake your leg like you go do am. But now.
You know what this a new song we should do now? Pepper them. What she do with DJ Spinner? She dance now.
She dance. But the dance don't seem be like that first.
Oh, guy with tea. Just talk with tea.
No! When all of the one they do Beyonce. See Beyonce, go look at her first song. And the one she do now, she still wind up everything up and down, pra. As she born, she still throw. If they wind everything up and down, they say, we died there. That be that one, though. And don't blow, don't hammer. One of the richest musicians for US. You not still stop the... You mean like my girl, keep dancing, please. I need to shake your shakere. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, I get one young guy in the building. We will say make you just enter inside the show, more just yarn small. You know, nothing New Year thing, so this will start time like that. You know, give opportunity to the younger ones then where they carry music enter the industry. All right, so as it be, so we get one very guy in the building. His name Larry Kuti with us in the building. Larry, how you doing?
Good, sir.
I dey feel. See your hand cold.
Yes, sir.
What's happen?
Not the weather.
Not the weather.
Yes, sir.
No be the weather. What's it? Easy. If you see this kind of hand there, you know this kind of hand they say maybe shake person. You call maybe person they fall. You can say hold me. You can go like you know. You know so how they come out that. So they hand cold. Hey, see you to be for body just now. Now this kind of hand your whole cheek. Your whole the girl how you get. You don't know she talk rubbish. See, Pluto is okay. Larry Kuti.
Yes, sir.
How about you now?
My deal.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So could they catch you? Talk.
No, I did okay.
Talk. You do
No,
talk
yes,
true.
I did very okay.
Talk true.
With the
People
whole
they freeze for
AC,
this.
no. With the whole AC we now put for
And the amount way they around
yes,
you.
yes.
You do okay.
I did very okay. Sir.
Because one could carry things give you name your body for warm. That's why they ask. So because
Yes,
people don't freeze for you before a show just finish. They say me they stand up, no stand up. Stand up, they don't stand up. You're like we don't know say the ice block. Because they find stove to put on that there to warm them. So please talk where.
I did.
So Larry, welcome on top of the show.
Yes, sir.
So you now say you be magician, you be musician. I don't already talk. I already say I'm musician. You be. But which kind of song you do?
Sir. Afro pop, sir.
Afro pop.
Afro beat.
Okay, Afro beat. You come here, I see the Larry, I see the Kuti inside.
Yes, sir.
See now your real name be Larry Kuti. I be based on the kind of music you do. You decide to put the Kuti, maybe the Afro beats inside.
My name is Onola Oladipo.
Okay.
Larry. Onola Oladipo Larry.
Okay.
AKA Larry Kuti.
Okay. So yes, that Kuti part now, what's influence you to use Kuti? Say now
na friends, friends.
Okay.
You know, when they get to hear my songs, they come they say, the name actually na Larry K before.
Okay, Larry K.
Yeah,
okay.
so they come they say, waiting that K stand for, waiting, you know, everybody want to know. So along the line, my friends come they call, see, more just make am Kuti, more make am formal now.
Okay,
the style of your music now, Afro.
Okay.
It's okay.
So from there, you just sit down.
No.
Okay. As it be like this, how many songs you don't get?
I get a lot of songs.
Okay, many songs them dey.
Many
But how many you
songs.
don't record? Because I get a lot of, me as I do like this, I never see if I tell you song what I get. If you see song what I don't sing plenty.
I go like
I
hear
don't
am.
write many.
I go like hear
You go like hear am?
You say me like your fan.
I
One of your
want
biggest
bust.
fan.
I feel like they say forget to bust. You understand? But I hold myself back because I don't want to overshine you. You understand? Because he did there, he did for this there. You understand? But if I release it now, you think and people they watch now. Alaba boys feel go move on. And next now you hear say Terry just release my song.
I go like
from
feature.
there, fight gonna start like saying me and Olamide.
No, see the way we go do am, I go feature you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you go feature me for the
Just
OP.
feature you for the
No wahala now. If you run the whole package because I get a voice, yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
The voice there from my body, yeah. Yeah. See by people the way they beef me for this word that be this one. Yeah, I do face like sports beats. Yeah? Just do face like say I know if you make up for music. I go shock you for this industry. I go shock you easily.
You don't even know it now. You know they judge yourself.
No! Your nose, you carry nose just like that person will just look say, this one no fit make up. Now the first thing you just give me, he say, they yimu for me. I dey see her for your house, they yimu for me. They go yimu for you too.
The easy beat na boss, no.
You guys know how to go that.
Na boss for it.
I dey watch am. Me na a big fan.
Now boss for waiting. Now if he mix. Even though I know say in they sing, in they try for the music this.
Oh yeah, you see, you know just how I talk. You just agree.
Hey, but you dey agree talk my own.
Eh?
You dey agree talk my own.
I dey
Anytime I
talk-
just try to sing,
No.
you just carry face.
You know the area. where
God
you
goes chuck you for this industry. He go see God go elevate me in the middle. Only go sit down. Only because I say I knew him. That time I say I don't know you, man. I don't know you. Go to the left. To the left. Anyway, Larry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your kind of music now Afro beat.
Yes, sir. Afro beat.
So if you just give us one kind of freestyling thing or anyone we don't do before, we probably never be outside there or something. Maybe we don't feel the whole thing. You understand? Make us know the kind genre where we.
Okay. Attention artists, announcement to my goons on the street. We go get this paper. Asikolati Bolaji because every day them be calling my cellular. More than Hillary Kuti, you popular. No be math, but them liking my formula. When I turn up, I shut down with murder. Yeah, you don't do that.
Hey! I like that part of the enter the. You need to add emotions to all this kind of music where if not,
Just
people
create
don't
your
dey
rhythm.
feel you. Without the beats now, we feel them. You understand? Because you know it's okay. Now lyrics we can't listen to now and still make brain. So that means before the show end, you go see bust your bed inside this place.
Okay,
but for you now, what's be the future for you now? Because in this industry, it is red. With all the craze where Olamide they currently come out. And the full craze where you get a squad because of them they vex. Street to take over. Street, Igboro, street. Everybody now, street raise everybody now.
Yes.
How you now want to enter this industry? Because this industry, oh my, everybody hold sword, everybody
I
slap,
tell you.
sha. Anybody come with bomb you. So you now, what will be your own addition to the industry? How you want to take past the whole wahala with the on ground, the whole people they vex, you want to make your own mark for the industry.
It's him be saying now God good one.
Last.
God pass money. So I believe say my style is different. My style is different from anything out there presently right now.
Okay.
In the Nigerian music scene. So
that means that through that particular pattern, if you just
yes.
I feel swear one thing easy bit now. Say code they catch Larry. I feel swear. Say code they catch. Because you know the way.
Now the AC.
You know, it be like we don't block inside body. That's like
They got that moment.
I feel say next thing I go dey talk now, I go dey see
Brother, you just
smoke dey
sprinkle
come for
small
your
warm
back.
water. I get like, yeah.
Small water, just small warm water, just like. Nothing will happen now. Go for this break now. We'll come back from the break. By that time, we'll not off the AC. Give Larry small warm water, make it drink, make your body for calm down. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.